I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm fine. Can I ask you a question for you?
Sure.
Okay. What are the major challenges of learning a language?
Thanks for your question. The major challenges of learning a language, I think pronunciation is the major challenges of learning a language.
Thanks for your answer. Would you please tell me why we learn a language?
Thanks for your question. We learn a language to communicate people around the world.
Thanks for your answer. May I know how we learn a language?
We learn a language by watching English cartoon, by reading English storybook, etc.
Joynob, is breakfast vital to you?
Yes, breakfast is vital to me
But why?
because it's the first meal of the day.
Nice. How can we learn a language?
We learn a language by watching English cartoon, by reading English storybook, etc.
Joynob, would you please tell me, do you help your parents?
Yes.
How?
I help my mother in the kitchen. I help my father in his work.
Thanks for your answer. Joynob, could you please tell me, do you think family is important for a child?
Thanks for your question. I think family is important for us
Why?
because a child born here and grew up here.
Joynob, would you please tell me what is our victory month?
I think December is our victory month.
Could you please tell me, do you make your bed every morning?
Yes.
When?
I make my bed before school.
Question from the boys. Hiya.
Hi, Joynob.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
What
What is the function of water?
The function of water are its help our body temperature, its help digestion, etc.
What's your favorite room?
My favorite room is my bedroom
But why?
because I decorate my home because I decorate my room with flower.
When do you have your breakfast?
I have my breakfast at 6 o'clock.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue and pink
But why?
because I like it.
Joynob, would you please tell me what are the special thing in your home?
My balcony is my special thing in my home
But why?
because I decorate my balcony with flower.
Thanks for your answer. Could you please tell me why we learn a language?
Thanks for your question. We learn a language to communicate other people around the world.
Carry on.
Could you please tell me what are the sources of oil? Fat and oil.
The sources of fat and oil are coconut oil, olive oil, etc.
Soybean, mustard oil,
Thanks for your answer.
all kind of nuts.
Yes, sir.
These are important source of oil too.
Yes.
Any question? Any more question
No.
from the boys? Okay, big hands for Joynob.